Welcome back to another edition of Gentbehindascent. Today we'll be having a look at the Talent Soap Factory CakeHole. I do not see the title of the soap on there. But that's what it's called, CakeHole. So it is moist vanilla cake and sweet buttercream vanilla frosting. Brand new. Cannot wait to use this. Following it up with the matching splash. I'm going with my Smog Owners Club and the cherry wood. Love this board brush. Awesome. And there's the big difference in the Owners Club and the others. Huge difference. It's more of a premium board. And razor of choice will be the Leaf. God, look at that thing. Lathering up here. Suds everywhere. Leaf razor. It's gonna be a head shave. I'm gonna have Gillette super thins on their third or fourth, maybe fifth use. Look like there. All that. Thank you, Aaron, for sending this for review. And good as new. And thank you for supporting the channel. All my affiliates. Look, I got kissed by a razor. How about that, eh? So, what's everybody up to? By the way, the soap has 9 ingredients, not counting the fragrance. It's vegan, and it's amazing. Yeah, he's got his site up and running now. Just check when I went to look at the scent notes on this. So, there's a code for his site in my description. I highly recommend you check him out. Talent Soap Factory. If you ever have a problem, he'll fix it ASAP. I've never had a problem, but he's a really good guy. Anyway, first pass, leaf razor with the sleeve, all 3 blades in. By the way, these are a lifetime guarantee. They break, you send it in, they can't fix it, they replace it. I mean, you really can't go wrong. And this is my go-to in a hurry head shaver. I mean, it's got a pivoting head, holds 3 double-edge half blades, for those who don't know, but it's just so easy. That's why I use this. I use other razors, but this one's just for head shaves. It's my go-to. I won't even need a second pass. I'll go straight against, and I'm done. But, you know, I'll do touch-ups just because, but don't really need it. damn phone stand keeps falling out, knocking over aftershaves. I can say PAA aftershave bottles are very tough. It didn't break, and I have a Carnival of Sin from Smiles for Miles. It didn't break either, and the PAA splash fell onto that, so that just shows you how thick the Carnival of Sin is, or his Smiles bottles are very, very, very tough, apparently. But yeah, anyway. What are you guys doing this year for Halloween? Me, I have to work, unfortunately. I have to save my time for Christmas. And trying to find a meetup this winter. Somewhere between fall and winter, I'd love to do a meetup with some people. Some nice, like a East Coast meetup. Or North Carolina, or the Carolinas meetup. Something. I need somebody to start that with, and we can find some sponsors to sponsor it. Give me a lot of planning and headaches, but it'll all be worth it in the end. Yeah. It's a beautiful razor, guys. I'm telling you, pick one up if you don't have one. Guys, girls, it don't matter. This thing don't play, and it's not gonna cut you as long as you're smart with it and respect it. It won't cut you, so. I'm just nitpicking now. I mean, scent strength on this soap, I'd give it a 6, but this is a head shave, so can't really rate it on off the brush, lathered. It's like a 5. I don't even need another pass, but I'm doing it anyway. I know that splash is going to be absolutely amazing. It's going to make me want to go buy cupcakes. I know it. This right here, just doing this right here, makes you feel like you're in a bakery. I'll be using this all the time now. It's a beautiful, beautiful formula for 9 ingredients, folks. Super slick, super cushiony. The residual slickness is there, if that's important to you. It's got a really nice post shave. I like my post shaves. I like my post shave feel on my soaps now. Not a big fan of those soaps that are so slick. You have to rinse 7 times. And you could still do a pass if you wanted to. So you gotta rinse 3 or 4 more times. But not with this. I mean, it's slick, but it comes right off. No problems. Ooh, I hope that was just the side. Please bend just the side. And we'll find out in a second. That's why I hate doing too fast, is I get carried away, start going fast. It didn't get me. If it did, it's terrible, and it's not even started bleeding yet, but let's cross our fingers here. And yeah. Leaf, wood sleeve, matte black. If you're interested in the matte black, they have iridescent sometimes. They have blueberry, like a metallic blue sometimes. They have matte black, gloss black, satin. Let me try to set this back up. Sorry about that. I don't even know if we're still going, but I don't know what the hell's up with that phone holder, but I guess it's just gotten too old. So guess I'm gonna have to get rid of that. I always gotta buy something. Always gotta get something. There's always something in it. I don't use my Lancaster if I have a bunch of soap on my ears. Which, I was going to do a better rinse job, but, you know, damn phone about fell on the floor. I did catch it. How, I don't know. But I did. I love this blonde boar in this friggin' owner's club, man. I'm telling you. If you don't have one, you love boars, I mean, this thing comes broken in. It's amazing. But the more you use it, the better it gets. Beautiful cherry wood. Okay, right. Off the puck, I give it a 4.5 out of 10. It's not meant to be super strong. It's a dessert. It's a gourmands normally aren't very strong, but probably gonna. Hell is it? Okay, what the hell did you do with it? Come on. This is embarrassing, bro. Where is the splash? Oh yeah, on the floor. I don't have any room. So, CakeHole. First time opening. Good little amount there. Healthy dose to burn the hell out of me. Not really. Feels pretty good, actually. Oh, yeah. Gotta get this. Oh, my God. I gotta go for seconds. Awesome shave. Hope I'm still recording. I can't believe I saved the phone like that. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the head shave. And I'll be back on soon to do another one. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Be much appreciated if you liked, commented, and shared. And if you are interested in the leaf razor or any of the products here, check down in my description. There'll be links and stuff like that. Alright guys, later.